Hey guys, good morning, welcome back. Ladies and gentlemen, today is the day of reopening public beach in Đà Nẵng city and everything else is becoming normal again. People are welcoming and happy going to the beach for swimming in the sunrise early morning. And this is the day after 21 days of locking down. People are very happy, and you have to be very happy with us too. Welcome back to Đà Nẵng city and have a great day, please. Thank you very much. Anh cùng rứa hơn ơi. Không thể nào mà thấy được đâu, máy minh đâu có phải là máy kia, máy cơ kia mới được. Nhưng mà chụp được cảnh bình minh đi là đẹp rồi.